Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sausage and mushroom frittata, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. You can make this frittata for either for breakfast or for brunch, and your family is going to, or yourself, you are absolutely going to enjoy this. So without further ado, let's get started. So you're going to find everything listed in the description box down below. I'm going to start off by peeling the casing of my sausages. It's quite easy. Once done, I'm going to move over to my stove top where I've placed a small pan. Add cooking oil, and then I'm going to add in my sausages. Break my sausages using my spatula. I'm using beef sausages. You can use any type of sausages that you have in the house. And if you're using a non-stick pan, don't use a fork to try and break up the sausages, because you'll be spoiling your pan. As my sausage are cooking, I'm going to add in one small shallot. I want to add some flavor to my frittata. And then I'm going to add some seasoning and black pepper. Stir in the seasoning, and then I'm going to add in some mushrooms. So I'm going to let this cook as I preheat my oven. So you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. So as my sausage and mushrooms cook, I'm going to be cracking in eggs in a bowl. So this is for my family's breakfast, so I'm going to add in 8 eggs. There's a dustbin over here, don't worry about the noise. Check on my sausages and mushrooms, and the mushrooms are starting to wilt down. I'm going to stir in everything together, and this looks so delicious. Give my sausages about another minute, and then I'm going to move over to my eggs. Add in some milk, and a little bit of salt, because we have already added salt to our sausages and mushrooms. So I'm not going to be adding black pepper to my eggs, because I've added a generous amount to my sausages. Mix until combined. Check on my sausages, they're ready. Turn off the heat, and then I'm going to pick a oven-proof pan. For my cast iron, I've added 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So I'm going to add in my sausage in the pan. Spread around, and next I'm going to add in my eggs. So I've not added any turmeric to my eggs because they are fresh from my chickens. Before placing my frittata in the oven, I'm going to cook on my stove top for around 3 minutes on low flame, while you move around the eggs until the eggs set. Once from the oven, you're going to cool your sausage frittata for around 5 minutes. Please have some patience, and then it's going to be easier for you to remove or to slice into the frittata. So I'm going to slice mine through, and it's looking so good. And then I'm going to pick my big piece of frittata. Just look at that. Spot the sausages, the mushrooms, and the delicious egg, and everything is set. I'm going to place on a plate. So this looks absolutely delicious and amazing, and I can't wait to have my sausage and mushroom frittata with my family. Actually, you can switch. You can add even vegetables in a frittata and you're still going to have an amazing one. So I hope you try out this amazing recipe and make for your entire family. Enjoy your brunch or breakfast. Bye.